D Who Studios presents Atlantis the Stones by Douglas Hoover.
Now, pay attention. We're going to share something with you. You need to accept and understand this information. It is not something you can dismiss as a good story. After you've heard it, you will still have trouble believing it. After you've been exposed to it, you will question everything you've ever known. The lives of everyone you know depends upon your accepting the truth and throwing away what you've come to believe as fact. Open your mind, and you will see the world the way it really is.